It's Miss Skabish. Today's game is going to be a fun, active game for hopefully a sunny day. So, hope you have some sidewalk chalk and go to your driveway because that's going to be the best space for you to do today's activity, which is called Jump Maze. Step one, draw a 5 by 5 grid large enough that somebody can stand inside one of the squares with 2 feet. Step two, draw a heart in the very center and a number 1 2 spaces below that. Using a different colored piece of chalk, fill in the rest of the boxes with these specific numbers in these specific places. So this is the pattern that you'll need to follow as you're making your maze. There's that red one right there, and then just follow along and make sure all of these numbers get in the same spot. Pause the video if you need to have a little extra time to write them down. And you are going to want to make sure that your numbers are in those exact places, otherwise this maze won't work. Once the grid is filled, you're ready to start the maze.
No, you can't go that way. You're on a 4. Back to start. Try again. Now 3. Now 3 again. Ooh, which way are you going to go 4? Are you going to go up or, yeah, which way? Oh, you're so close to that heart. Good.
Rules for the maze are simple. You can go up, down, left, and right. No diagonals. You can move as far as the number you're standing on. So when you're starting on the red 1, just for the beginning of the maze, you may go 1 space in any of those directions. When you're on your new number, then you can go 2 spaces in any of the directions or 3 spaces depending on what the number is. Your goal is to try to get to the heart in the center of the maze. Good luck! Once you figure out the path of the maze, it's fun to see how fast you can go and see if there's other ways that you could get started to find your way all the way to that heart. You can always try creating your own grid with your own number patterns and see if you can create your own maze in the same way with some sidewalk chalk or even paper. You could draw it on paper and see if you can figure out a way to create a path that leads to a specific spot on the grid. I hope you enjoy.